Hello everyone, today we'll discuss how to add digital signature for Word document. Firstly, I open Google Chrome web browser. Then search as online digital signature. Then I open it and select option as digital signature. You can get website link easily description below. Then choose the color you want. Now you can draw your signature on this space. Thereafter you can save. Then download with transparent background. Open download folder. Drag and drop digital signature to your Word document. Then you can resize and align your signature. And export as PDF file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.